Yaki khubor ka bate si TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sophistication meets style. The stylish trendsetter Tata Curve SUV is in town. India's first coupe SUV is now in Shillong. Net Foodish. Ordar mapi, minwan ramangi hakerdob ying jongpi.
Menteri Ketnat Puli Putih ke Sorkat Jila Urakam Sangma Ulaong Bakam Long ke Besok ke Sorkat Jila Ban Shimti Yaki Khatla Hajar Ngut Nonghikai School SSA ki badan Hajar Jila Brokawai Haka jing keren Galap Thai Kubor Urakam Ulaong Baka Jila Meghalaya Kaya Pher na Kiwei ki Jila Bokri India Bat Dana Kata Kadaw La Phia La Kajok Yaki Nonghikai School Sorkar Bat Yaki Nonghikai Jongki School SSA Ulaong Badai Halor Gini Ganong Rem Bala Ailat Yaki Nonghikai SSA ki badang biang kerta bakin apply yaki kam haki school sorkar on dalapan mi yaki pos haki school.
This SSA is a Government of India program, and the salary component earlier was 90:10, but today the salary component is 70:30. So maybe Government of India is going to be the 50-50 for the state and the salary, and the government for the salary component. So like SSA is more or less like, because the salary component is from the government side, be it the Government of India or Government of Meghalaya. The buildings also belongs to the government, right? So having said so, there was the demand and request from the SSA teachers also. I mean, accommodate and all here in India, but since the number is very large, we are the highest in percentage, highest in number. 13,000 plus teachers in the SSA. So it is not possible to accommodate, to regularize, because the system in Meghalaya is completely different from the rest of the country. We have established a separate SSA cadre schools and teacher. So way back. But now, so in order to give them better opportunity, whoever eligible, whoever qualified, we want to give them the chance to apply for the recruitment as and when the advertisement and the vacancy arise. So the problem is, since as a teacher they are working already for last 10-20 years, some of them hasn't become average. But since they are already working in the department, we proposed to the cabinet to, that the upper age relaxation be given to them, so that they will be allowed to apply, participate in the upcoming recruitment. Therefore, this is what it is. So the cabinet has already decided to allow till the age of 45 years to those already serving as a teacher to apply in the education department for any government teachers recruitment as and when the vacancy arises. Now at the moment about 600 vacancies is there. So we will be calling for advertisement again very soon. So those who are MTET qualified, those who are qualified, they can apply and they can be absorbed anytime. So but therefore, just to give them more opportunity, we have given them age relaxation, because they are already serving in a department. Therefore, we have taught, the department taught, to give them rooms, to give them more opportunity, to open them more ways, so that whoever qualified, who will be a professional, who will be good at teaching, who are brilliant, they can absorb, they can always enter into the regular service. Yeah. Though they are serving, they have to be cleared the MTET bus, then they will call it qualified. The certain criteria, the procedure will be followed. We have, but I don't have a figure right now with me. But there is always a many. It's a continuous process. We are doing the step by step. This is you can read the lines. Government is on positive note. You can read the lines. So this is one of the steps that government is on very serious, and we know the problems and issues. Therefore, it may not happen at one day decision, but the certain step we have already the positive step we have already initiated, we can see. But number is so huge, we cannot take decision immediately. right? There's certain procedure to be followed, certain step to be followed, a certain formula to be adopted, right? So therefore, these are the things like which will support them. So I think neither we can say no or yes today. Yes, but definitely government is on positive, and we are working the formula how to get them positive support to them. Yes, government, if the government decide today, it's a big huge financial burden on the state, which is not possible. But we have to step by step at a right. We are on the positive note, definitely. So maybe it may happen today. It may not happen today, but it may happen tomorrow or day after. But government is on serious. We are exploring all possible ways and means. We are working out the formula how to support them, how to go up, give them a job security. Number one is their job security, right? So most of them SSA are worrying that in 2026 SSA program will be over by the government of India. So if that over, definitely that will be handed over to the state government. State government will have to take them over. So there is no way out. So I'm sending them out from the profession doesn't arise. Government to take this responsibility, and government, earlier 90s to 10, but today government has to state government has to bear the 30% of the salary component today. So next year will be the 35. 2026 will be the 40:60, right? 27 or 28 will be 50:50, right? So I mean government is exploring and leaving no stone unturned to support them to address that issue. Yeah. But it will not. Government of India, since school is already opened, the closing down of the school doesn't arise, and no human being, no government will decide so. So I mean, though it's a government of India discontinue, government of state governments to take over. There is no way out. But we don't know what kind of formula will be applied, what kind of policy will be adopted. That will decide tomorrow. But as of now, SSA is definitely it's a part. It is within the department, within the system, and they are the part of the family of the education department.